Next, after the semi-join is what's known as the anti-semi-join. And this is simply changing the exists to a not exists. And what you're doing is you're saying, give me all of those people in table 1 that don't match up with table 2. So this would be the way, if we're looking at the favorite colors, to go in and say, show me all the people who don't have a favorite color. And there we have Johnny and Karen. And if you're really trying to order t-shirts for your entire company, you might go push them to pick their favorite shirt color and put it in there so they get a shirt ordered for them. Okay, one thing I'm going to back up to that I zoomed past here was multiple outer joins. And that's stepping back to the previous slide where we're saying select from table 1, inner join table 2 on favorite color. But then we're also going to say, that was a right outer join. Then we're going to say left outer join table 3 on the favorite food. And we'll take a look at the combination of multiple queries there. And you can see now, if we look at this list, those are the people who have the favorite colors. Only one of them has a favorite food. What we're getting is that of the people who have a favorite color, only one of them has a favorite food. And we'll come back to this in a little bit. But one of the things is that what happens if we specify an outer join without actually putting a left or right outer join? Well, that's not valid. That's invalid syntax because you have to specify a left or a right when you're doing the outer join. There's a question that popped up that I'm going to answer while I'm right here. What does select one mean on your subquery when you're looking at the semi-join or the anti-semi-join for that matter? Well, what that means is just selecting something back. You could say select star and it would behave about the same way. Or you could say select ID and it would return, it's just selecting some value back. And here I'm just selecting the value 1 when it exists. Now, the difference is depending on what you're selecting back, this inner query might have to do more work to find all the columns that you're selecting back just to determine if it exists. So hopefully that question is answered. I know I said I would hold them to the end, but that one I just noticed and it was a good time to answer it. Also, just a reminder, you can download the join types poster at stevestedman.com. And this is a poster I created a few years ago that just sort of shows how all the different joins that we're going to be covering through this presentation are done. It's handy to print out and keep on your cube wall or near your workspace.